2010 D Shield Penny Value. Okay, I have information here. Information I got. 2010 Shield Penny. $20.10 penny value. The 2010 penny carries a D-Mint mark under the date, declaring that it was made at the Denver Mint. That's where 2,047,200,000 pennies were made in 2010. Yep, 2010 pennies were made in even larger numbers than the 2010 pennies from Philadelphia. As you might suspect, 2010 Lincoln cents are not generally considered rare, but again, some are more valuable than others. Here's how much they're worth. Circulated examples with where are worth 1 cent. Uncirculated examples are worth 10 to 30 cents. The most valuable 2010 D penny was graded MS67RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and took a whopping $4,994 in a 2013 auction. Okay, that's all for the 2010 D Shield Penny. Okay, bye for now and have a great day.